A popular professor at a prestigious university is found murdered in his office. Detectives are called in to investigate the case, and they soon discover that the professor had a secret relationship with a student. The student becomes the prime suspect in the murder investigation, but as more evidence is uncovered, it becomes clear that there is more to the story than anyone realizes. As the investigation progresses, the detectives uncover a web of lies and secrets that the professor had been keeping, leading them to question if the student is truly guilty or if someone else is responsible for the murder. The truth is finally revealed in a shocking twist that leaves everyone questioning what they thought they knew. As the investigation into the murder of Professor John Smith deepens, detectives begin to delve into his personal life and uncover a shocking secret. The professor had been involved in a romantic relationship with a young graduate student, Emily Brown. Emily becomes the prime suspect in the murder case, and the detectives question her about her relationship with the professor and her whereabouts on the night of the murder. Despite her protests of innocence, Emily is arrested and charged with the murder. However, as the detectives continue to gather evidence, they begin to uncover inconsistencies in her story. They also discover that the professor had been keeping a number of secrets, including a hidden research project that could have made him a target for murder. As the trial approaches, Emily's defense team works tirelessly to clear her name, while the prosecution builds its case against her. The professor's colleagues and associates are also questioned, and it becomes clear that many of them had their own secrets and motives. In the end, it is revealed that the true killer was not Emily, but another individual who had a personal vendetta against the professor. The killer had used Emily as a scapegoat, framing her for the murder in order to throw suspicion off of themselves. Emily is cleared of all charges, and the real killer is brought to justice. The case of the professor's secret sent shock waves through the university community and raised questions about the ethics of secret relationships between professors and students. It also serves as a reminder that appearances can be deceiving and that the truth can be hidden in plain sight.